Hello, this is Damien from Property Profiled, Owners Corporation Plumbing Contractors. Today we're conducting a CCTV inspection of the below ground sewer drain at 24 Grandview Grove in Paran. We're entering the drain via a cast iron inspection opening in the car park. We've already undertaken an initial inspection and some cleaning of the pipe because the drain at the start of the inspection was full of grease and fat and the vision was quite poor. So we're just entering back in now, flushing away a bit of soap residue from the drain to enable good vision on this inspection. This is a clay pipe drain we've entered in through a cast iron inspection opening, heading downstream towards the boundary trap at the rear of the property located in the car park, accessible via the laneway. This section of drain appears to be in quite good condition. No major cracks or root entry at this stage. Just coming past an inspection opening now. Some scale on the sidewall of the pipe here. Tends to indicate that this section of drain is blocking from time to time or holding a considerable amount of water. Slight change of direction there. That section of drain is holding quite a bit of water. Additional high pressure jetting will remove the scale from the side of the pipe so we can see what's going on there. There's a small crack in the sidewall there and there's some roots entering through a joint. There's a considerable amount of roots at that change of direction. Could be growing in through an inspection opening. The mist in the drain is as a result of someone upstream using a shower or kitchen sink or something and discharging some hot water into the drain. There's a junction there heading towards a second stack which rises from the car park and picks up fixtures on the first floor at the rear of the property. Just heading into what looks like a section of cast iron pipe, the connection towards the boundary trap. Just going to withdraw the camera and do some more high pressure cleaning to see if some of these roots can be removed, just to improve the vision. There's a considerable clump of roots at that change of direction. Just re-entering the drain again from the same location through the inspection opening, heading downstream again towards the boundary trap. We've undertaken further high pressure drain cleaning, which hopefully will have removed a large amount of the roots and the fat and the scale from the side of the pipe, so that we can identify any issues that may be a problem in the future. The pipe wall is now quite clean, very little scale remains. This is the point we looked at before where tree roots were blocking 90% of the pipe. Some tree roots remain and they are growing in through an inspection opening in the top of the drain. The inspection opening is not required and can be sealed up by the means of relining, which would completely eliminate tree roots from re-entering at that point. Relining is a preferred option rather than cutting the concrete excavating around the drain. Relining relining is a fairly simple operation, and we can assist with that further if required. We've just conducted some additional high pressure cleaning to cut the remaining roots from that inspection opening. As we can see, the path is quite clear now. Looks as though the broken pipe at the change of direction just coming up in front. You can see cracks in the sidewall. Just going to jet a bit further downstream. The cleaner the sidewalls of a drain are, the easier it is to identify problems, and also the cleaner the pipe walls are, the better the vision is of the CCTV inspection. There are some cracks on that change of direction there. Section of drain through here now is quite clean also. The high pressure water does a very good job at removing the scale and also cutting roots without damaging the pipe walls. Just progressing downstream a little further with the high pressure water, just going past the junction on the main drain which connects a second stack in the back of the car park. We've just entered into the section of cast iron drain which runs across the last section of the car park connecting to the boundary trap. This section of cast iron pipe does have some minor rust and scale on it. Cleaning every year or two will help keep the scale under control. Or the other option is to reline through the cast iron to the boundary trap. Doesn't look like there's been any blockage or any considerable build-up of debris in this section, so relining is not required at the moment, but it may be something that the owners wish to think about in the future. I've just relocated the camera equipment and we're going to go and inspect the second stack towards the rear of the car park. It's a short section of branch drain picking up the fixtures in the first floor and second floor apartments at the rear of the property. This section of drain is cast iron, there's scale on the wall of the pipe. We've just transitioned into earthenware pipe. There's minor build-up of scale on the inside of this pipe as well. Just conducting some additional high pressure cleaning in this branch drain just to see if we can remove some of the scale and improve the quality of the vision. pipe appears to be cleaning up quite well. Several passes backwards and forwards with the high pressure jet combined with the camera have failed to show any major issue within this section of the drain. This is the junction onto the main drain. We've already inspected downstream or towards the right hand side of that junction where the high pressure head is currently sitting. The junction itself looks okay. This is the end of our inspection. Thank you very much for watching. This is Damien from Property Profiled Owners Corporation Plumbing Contractors.